the math concepts that we will be exploring in our creator year. So we start off with exploring numbers. We start off with a recap of the numbers that we have learned in the junior creators, which is 1 to 50. And then we explore numbers 51 onwards up to 100. We explore numbers along with other math concepts, series by series. So from 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, and so on up to the last series that they explore is 91 to 100. We begin the year by exploring the number sense concept, which is ideally helping the kids to have some idea about associating numbers with quantity. And then we move up to place value. Like this is the worksheet we're seeing on the screen is a number sense activity which is done by the child, coloring activity. So this helps with identifying quantities with smaller numbers. Now what would the kids do when they go to move on to bigger numbers? So for that we explore the place value, where the child is introduced to the ones and tens houses, and then it helps them to even compare numbers, bigger numbers, to say which number is larger, which number is smaller, which helps them to explore another theme, that is ordering numbers from the smallest and to help them order numbers from the largest. We also move around to explore number bonds, where the kids will be composing numbers and decomposing numbers. Ideally here, the child is explored the series from 41 to 50. Because of the place value, she is able to show you or write down which number is greater than, which is lesser than, which numbers are the same. She is able to order her numbers here from the smallest and from the largest. We can see here that the child will explore number bonds. She will be able to compose an 8, make an 8 in different ways. Right here what we are looking at is a child who has done it on the floor, who is showing us different ways of making an 8. Another child has shown us, all through manipulative play. So that's the first we do. We don't go directly onto the book. All the concepts are showed we introduce the concepts with a rhyme, then we introduce it with lots of manipulative play, and then we give them practice fun worksheets, and the last would do is they go on to their notebooks. So here the child is exploring a number 10 on the slate with pegs, and then somebody has explored it on the floor. A number 4 has been, he's showing us how many different ways to get a number 4. And by the end of this all, they are introduced to simple number sentences. Yes, like a 4 plus 6 gives us a 10. They will be able to recognize number sentences. They will be able to make number sentences as well. Same thing happens for addition and subtraction. It's a gradual course. They also do explore and make their own addition problems, their stories. They explore addition on their number line, where they learn to count forward. And when they do subtraction, they learn how to count backward. They read the story. They represent it through illustration. You can see the child drawing out the red flowers and the yellow flowers, then counting them all up together, writing it in the number sentence out there, and then finally writing how many flowers she has all together. So this is how we proceed, and then finally take it to the math book that we have. Subtraction, she or he has done the same. They read it, then they illustrate it, strike it if it's necessary, and then get to the number sentence. Other themes explored in math would be shapes. The child here has represented all the shapes that he or she knows, connecting the dots. The picture above shows us how the child is building a 3D shape. Yes, a 3D cuboid. They are introduced to vocabulary like corners and vertices, and they are building that with toothpicks and clay. On the right, there's a picture of how a worksheet has been given to them and how they cut it by themselves, glue it up by themselves, count all the corners and the sides, and finally make that 3D shapes out of paper. So then we have on each, they are introduced to the faces. Like we can read in the worksheet, it says, I am a pyramid now. I have vertices. I have faces. I have corners. So apart from all this, we do move on to teaching the child probably towards the end of the year, number names, ordinals, odd and even, which is a very big favorite of the children. Yes, so they learn how to identify odd numbers and even numbers. So if you give them any number from 1 to 10, they would know, they would be able to illustrate and show why a 2 is even and why a 3 is odd. Apart from that, we move on to time. The children they learn how to read the time. They do all the o'clocks in creators, like a 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, up to 12 o'clock. They even do concepts like measurement, which is interlinked with themes that go along. So measurement is like they are introduced to heavier, lighter, longer, shorter. We touch upon it very briefly in the creator.